All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and we're going to export this keychain or any other file that you make as an STL. The file format that we use for our 3D printing is an STL. Now you have to make sure that your document is measured in millimeters for it to come out correctly. So we're just going to do one final double check and select any feature. See how it says millimeters? It's in millimeters. Also, you can look at this and see document settings. Units are millimeters. And if they're not in millimeters, then you will need to change that to millimeters. So hopefully you're in millimeters. Either way, we're going to go ahead and we're going to export this thing. So you want to click, first off, don't do anything. Click Save. When it's the way you want it, save it. Now, click File, Export. And for our case, we need to make sure that we have a color code first, underscore, then the keychain name and your initials there. And now it's going to ask us what file type we want. We need this to be an STL file, that's stereolithograph. And then it's going to tell us, first off, it requires cloud translation, may take a few minutes, and it's going to dump it in this location of the user's downloads. So we want to go ahead and we want to remember that and we want to export it. And then this thing is going to do some thinking and hopefully it doesn't have to think too long. Sometimes these things are really quick, sometimes not so much. It just all depends on how many people are using that surface. Boom, done, cool. All right, so now this file, it says Show in File Explorer. You can click right there and it'll pop up in your downloads folder. See, blue keychain JG version 2.stl. That's the file that you want to go ahead and you want to upgrade or upload to the Google Drive folder for me to 3D print for you. Okay, so print jobs, keychain. At that, I got some keychains updated. Cool. So what we want to do is click New, File Upload, and then find for your downloads folder or wherever it dumped it, your folder. And then voila, we got it. It's in there. Time, date, wonderful. So hopefully this helps you out. Thanks for playing.